This is my 2008 Tiger 1050. Just last week I came back from a 3-day trip in the Adirondacks in upstate New York. Still have like a lot of bugs and stuff stuck on here. Wheels are a little dirty. So I'm just gonna go over how I wash my bike. Very simple, very basic, nothing fancy. Just use some dishwashing soap. Helps break down all the oils, water, microfibers. That's pretty much it. I have some stuff over there that I bought from AutoZone. Some engine degreaser that I'm going to use actually for the rims. I'll show you how I do that later. Again, this is very basic. If you guys have other techniques that are better, God bless you. Do your thing. So yeah, you just want to use some dishwashing soap, water, microfiber, maybe a sponge. Gloves are not required. And just scrub away. Soft, coarse brush. And I'm going to use this to scrub the wheels. You can see I have the tag, I just bought it. So this is just going to be my preliminary cleaning for the wheels, and then I'll use the degreaser later. Alright, I just finished scrubbing the entire bike and just hosed it down with water to wash off all the soap suds. The wheels, because you see there's like all this grimy stuff that it's really tough to come off. So I'm going to try to scrub that out using this degreaser. We'll see how it works. So I've already gotten started with this engine cleaner and degreaser for the wheels. You can already see the difference here, you know. I mean, even with my finger, this stuff wasn't coming off at all before, and just with my finger it's already coming off. It's supposed to let it soak for 10 minutes, which is what I did, and now that I'm coming to scrub it down, I'm just spraying a little fresh spray just to keep it wet. Now, as you can see, I'm catching my chain a little bit too, which is not really a good thing. You don't want to degrease your chain. So after I'm done doing this, I'm going to lube up the chain, clean and lube the chain. That'll be probably one of the last things I do. But as you can see, this stuff works really good. All that gunk just comes right off. Everything's gone. I mean, this is like super clean. And then keep in mind, I'm just going to wipe it one more time, probably with a microfiber. But not too bad, right? Alright, so my final step is this wash and wax. Very simple. Just spray it, wipe it one side with the microfiber, and then wipe it again with the dry side. That's it. That's how I finish it off. Like I said, since I did the degreaser on the rims here, that's why it's so clean. Looks almost brand new, these rims. Some of it might have gotten on the chain, so I'm gonna put some lube on it. I was gonna clean it, but the chain actually isn't that dirty, so I'm just gonna focus on cleaning it. This is just something I got on Amazon, very cheap. Came with a little kit, this brush that kind of just perfectly wraps around it. So just gonna use that to lube the chain, and I'm completely done.